Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And today the market worked exactly, at least Bank Nifty. We are also going to talk about Nifty. But in Bank Nifty, as I said, if we open with a gap down and if we are holding this level and if we are seeing that market is making positive price action near 47,000, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from here. Your target will be 47,200 and you can also keep bigger targets from there, right? And if you see markets exactly taking support from that level and then taking a very big rally all the way back up till 48,000, almost 48,000. Market was just shy of 48,000. Now, what can we do for tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is going to be very interesting because tomorrow, now, two things can happen, right? Either the market holds this level. If the market is holding this level, then that means the market will continue to move up. And if the market again opens with a gap down, then chances are that market will continue to move down. But even before that happens, market will need to consolidate for a while, right? Because market has moved down a lot, market has moved up a lot, and now market will sort of consolidate for a day or two, and then it will start to move on the either side, right? So what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Tomorrow, if the market opens with a gap up somewhere near 48,000 on all these levels, we'll wait for the market to sort of consolidate near this area. If we are seeing that market is coming down near 48,900, 47,800, and then if we are saying that market is taking support from this level in 15-minute chart or even in the 5-minute chart, if you're seeing that market is making price action, then we can think about taking a bullish trade again back up till 48,150. Do not keep your targets very big for tomorrow because market has moved down, market has moved up, and now the market needs to sort of consolidate. So chances are that if we open with even a small gap up somewhere near 47,840, 47,900, 47,800, 48,000, all these levels, then if we are seeing that market is coming back down till 47,800, if the market is staying above 47,800, and if you are seeing that market is making positive price action near this zone, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade again till the levels of 48,150. As I said, do not keep your targets big because chances are that market will be volatile tomorrow. So keep your quantity less also and do not keep your targets big for tomorrow, right? Once the market consolidates near these levels, then we'll think of either buying or selling again in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? On the downside, if we are opening with a small gap down near 47,000, let's say 750, 700, until unless we are holding this zone, we do not need to worry about market going back down again. But if you are seeing that Bank Nifty is coming back down below 47,600, then if you are seeing that market breaks this zone, takes a little bit, comes back up till this zone and takes resistance from that zone, then you can think about taking a short trade till 47,400 on the downside or 47,350 on the downside. That will be your target, and then chances are market will consolidate for a while, and then we can think about market either going down or going back up, right? But if we open with a gap down and break this zone, only then will we think about taking a short position. Because if we are holding this zone, then chances are market will take support again and continue to move up or consolidate over here for one day, right? So that is if we open with a gap down below this zone, right? But yes, any sort of gap down above the zone will still be fine. And market, if it is holding this zone, then we can think about market consolidating for a while, right? On the upside, if you open with a gap up straight up near 48,150, then you can look for actually taking a short trade from here once you see negative price action in 5-minute chart. Any sort of from 48,200 to 48,150, this will be if we open straight up near a gap, straight up with a gap up near this area, then chances are market could again come down because market has given a straight rally of almost 47,000 till 40, from 47,000 to 47,900, right? So it is almost 1,000 point rally over here. And if we are again opening with a gap up straight up near a resistance, chances are market could come back down till at least this support zone, and then maybe it might go down, maybe it might not. But if we are opening it straight up with a gap up somewhere anywhere above 48,100, and if you are seeing that market is making negative price action, I'm going to go ahead and draw that zone for you guys so it is it's clear for you. So if you see, basically this zone is going to be very important. And if the market is making negative price action over here, yes, if the market is making negative price action over here, then we can think about taking a short position from here, first of all till 48,000 to 47,950, and then you can keep more targets also on the downside, because then chances are market needs to consolidate, so it might give a little bit of good correction on the downside till at least 47,700. And if the market takes resistance from there and it does not stop and it closes way below 47,600, then chances are market will start a new rally and go below this low, right? But that is something that will probably not happen tomorrow itself, but we'll need to see what happens with that. Talking about Nifty is way more weaker as compared to Bank Nifty, right? So as I said, this zone is going to be very important. If we are again going below this zone, if Nifty is again going below 21,185, then you guys can go ahead and think about taking a short position in Nifty back down till 21,080, right? That will be a first target, and then 21,000 on the downside, because Nifty is way more weaker. So chances are where Bank Nifty might consolidate or go down slowly, Nifty might not really consolidate and go down slowly. Nifty might go down fast, right? So if we are opening the gap down anywhere below 21,200, wait for the markets to sort of come near this zone. And if you are seeing that market is then taking good rejection from this zone in 15-minute chart, then you can also go ahead and take a short position back down till 21,000, 21,080 first of all, and then 21,000, because then Nifty will continue to make a lower low, because as I said, uh, Nifty is more weaker over here, right? But if you want to buy in Bank Nifty. If you want to sell in Nifty, right? If we open the gap up somewhere, let's say near 21,400 and all these levels, even then we cannot really do anything in Nifty, because there is resistance on the upside, support on the downside, so things will be volatile. And if we are opening the gap up, then we can't really do anything. So it's best to then focus on Bank Nifty, right? On the downside also, if you are opening with a gap down, let's say near 21,100 or 21,150, same thing, wait for a little bit of pullback and then go ahead and take a short position. Do not go ahead and take a short position, or at least wait for negative price action. If you're seeing that market is not coming back up till this level, at least wait for negative price action and only then go ahead and take a short position from these levels, right? Do not go ahead and trade aggressively in Nifty also, because 21,100 to 21,080 is also going to act as a support. And maybe you don't know, right? If market opens over here, you think that, oh, the market is going to go down, and you buy a put at the open itself, and then chances are market might not go down very fast. First take your stop loss and then go down. So at least wait for negative price action, but the best thing would be to short near this place, because then the market can go down very fast and you will have a very small stop loss to take care of, right? And yes, tomorrow there is also Sensex expiry, and Nifty basically looks the same, but we are still going to talk about Sensex also, because it is an important because a lot of people do trade Sensex. So same thing with Sensex also, below 70,600, 620, that is when we will go ahead and take a short position in Sensex also. So if 70,620 is defended, then we'll go ahead and think about buying only, but not buying also, because Sensex is same as Nifty, right? So Sensex is also weak. If you see, Sensex has also not covered at even 50% of the rally, right? So still both Nifty and Sensex are a bit weak. So we'll focus more on Bank Nifty if you want to buy. Let's say if you open flat, then we can think about shorting 70,500 or 400 put options for the day, right? But make sure to get them in a sort of a dip or a spike, because then you will get good premiums and then you can hold them for the rest of the day. So even if the market consolidates over here, you will be fine and you can hold your position for the rest of the day, right? Because even, let's say, even if Bank Nifty continues to move up, right, Sensex and Nifty will not really move up that fast, right? So that's why you can think of shorting 70,500, 70,400 put options, but do not buy call options over here, because market might not move very fast or market might not give you good returns over here, right? So on the downside, if you are opening with a gap down below 70,600, we'll wait for a pullback till 70,600 to 70,700 levels, and then once you're seeing that market is taking rejection from this level, then you can go ahead and take a short position in Sensex also till the target of 70,200 first of all, and then 70,000 on the downside, right? If you are opening with a gap up near 70 and 400, then also you cannot really do do a lot, and things will be very volatile. So even if you are shorting options over here, short them carefully, because Sensex options give you good spike, and because the option prices are very low. So if you're an option seller, think about shorting options carefully in Sensex if you're opening again with a gap up, because things will be volatile. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.